Hi, this is Momtaz you from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I am a freelance database programmer, VBA developer, and a full-stack web developer. I am showing you rent management system database I developed in Microsoft Access for a Los Angeles company in 2019. I am showing you the different forms in this database system. This is a complete rent management system. This is report form where numerous reports are available on this database system. This is the VBA project inside the database with hundreds of lines of VBA coding. I write clean and concise code and include documentation. I have been programming since 2005 and freelancing online and also at freelance marketplaces since 2015. I have developed databases and worked on 1,000 VBA automation projects in Excel, Word, and Outlook. You may contact me for any database in Microsoft Access or Excel or SQL Server. You can hire me online or at any marketplace. This is tenant's rent payment form. The monthly rent falls due automatically. There are also other bills payable. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.